A lot of mid-sized companies have found value in Hudson's expertise and ability to bring resources to the table very quickly. Many times these companies don't have a large internal HR function or infrastructure to do hiring on their own. So they, through their efforts, are really starting from scratch to go out to the market and find people, whereby engaging Hudson can tap into our network, our resources, our expertise to deliver those people much more effectively in a much higher skill level than they're able to find on their own. It allows them to sort of see people on the job and review them and sort of keep the people that are most valuable, where so for a project they might need 5 or 6 temporary resources, and knowing long term we can certainly keep 2 or 3, and really part of the process is to evaluate the people on the job and see who is fitting in, who is delivering, who is a long-term fit versus maybe who's just a temporary project need. One of the big value adds and keys to Hudson's success in the simulation space is our industry knowledge and experience with professionals who have worked on simulation projects and programs. So from understanding distributed environments, HLA, DIS, on the programming side, understanding real-time programming, hitting the ground running, knowing the industry standards, knowing the expectations, knowing the culture, and having other related programs and projects under their belt to again immediately contribute and help the client meet their customers' needs. And then again on the art side of being able to provide those professionals that know the specific software, whether it be 3D Studio Max or Maya or Multigen, whatever the software might be, for character modeling, for environmental modeling, bringing professionals with industry experience to add to their teams so that they can deliver to their client and customer expectations very quickly. One of the definite trends we've seen really over the last couple of years is simulation companies really targeting people that have the gaming industry experience. What you'll find is higher level managers, directors within simulation or Department of Defense related companies see the quality of the video games and the production that's being done there, and are looking at their simulation applications and seeing a very wide difference between the two. So one of the ways to combat that is to really target and bring in people from the gaming world to up the quality of their own products. We recently supported a smaller to mid-sized simulation company who had won a big program from one of the primes to simulate or train users on a particular aircraft. As a result, they needed to put a team in place quickly with software engineers as well as environmental modelers for the design and modeling of the training system. They were able to partner with Hudson. We provided people for a remote location that no other vendor had been able to support, that they had not been able to support on their own. And as a result, we're able to build out their project team. They put the team in place within the time frame necessary for their customer for a 2-year program. And basically we still, at this time, have 5 current consultants supporting that engagement.